In this video, you will learn how to lock your Google Chrome with password. This is useful if you are not the only one who uses your computer, but you don't want other persons to have access to your Google Chrome. So, first, open up your Chrome browser. In top right corner, click on these three dots. Hover your mouse over Extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. In this search bar, you will type Chrome Lock and hit Enter. Click on this first one and then select Add to Chrome. And on this window, select Add Extension. As soon as extension is installed, you will get this pop-up window asking you to enter password. After entering desired password, click on OK and OK again. Your Google Chrome will close, and when you launch it again, it will ask you to enter password to continue using Chrome. As you see, I can't open new tab. Select another tab or do anything until I enter password. If someone opened Chrome and don't know the password, the only option he has is to select Close. Now I will enter my password, and I can continue to use Chrome freely until I close it again. And that would be all for this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, please hit that like button and consider to subscribe with the bell on for more useful guides. Until next time, stay awesome, and I'll see you all.